we are going to learn how to vacuum an AC unit using a manifold gauge. First, let's understand why we perform a vacuuming process. Vacuuming is done when installing a new AC unit or after performing maintenance work on the indoor unit. By vacuuming, we can remove moisture, air, and non-condensable gases from the coil. These gases can significantly affect the performance of the AC unit, so it is crucial to remove them. Additionally, vacuuming helps detect any leaks in the unit. Now, let's see how to vacuum an AC unit. The two essential pieces of equipment required for this process: a vacuum pump, a manifold gauge. We can also use a micron gauge for this process. With a micron gauge, we can get more accurate readings. If you would like a video on how to vacuum using a micron gauge, let me know in the comments and I'll prepare and upload that video. In this video, we will use only the manifold gauge. When installing a new unit, the refrigerant is typically pumped down and stored in the outdoor unit. Similarly, when performing maintenance work on the indoor unit, the refrigerant is pumped down and stored in the outdoor unit. As always, make sure to wear the necessary safety PPEs. Before starting the work, turn off the unit. Next, connect the yellow hose of the manifold gauge to the vacuum pump and the low pressure side hose to the suction line of the unit. In this process, we will use only the low pressure side gauge and won't use the high pressure side gauge. Once both hoses are connected, turn on the vacuum pump and open the valve in the gauge. The pump will start removing all the non-condensable gases from the evaporator and coil. As air and gas are removed, the pressure on the gauge will gradually decrease. We can vacuum for 15 to 20 minutes. During this process, the pressure on the gauge will reach -30 psi. After 20 minutes, close the gauge valve and turn off the vacuum pump. After turning it off, wait for some time and check if the pressure